Good day. Today we are going to have a look at Zorin OS 12.1 Core. This is a free version of Zorin OS and is based on Ubuntu 6.4 with LTS, so it will be supported until April 2021. It is a very good interface, and as you can see, it's made to look familiar to your Windows setup for those who are moving over. Let's have a look. Let's first right click and look around, create a folder. I say folder, nice and decent size. Let's make a GIMP image. Let's quickly play around for all these templates. I think it's very interesting. It's like see-through, something unique, and some will enjoy it, some will not enjoy it. But I'm sure if you have like things written, let's see how it looks like when we actually write something in one of them. Let's just create all of this. Let's open up our Word processor, LibreOffice 5.1. I like this icon theme, the default one. Let's write, this is a test to see if the icon will change a bit. Save. Let's close it. And now it's covered. So only the blank ones means there's nothing inside. This is actually quite cool, because then you know it's just a blank document, or and it looks like it's, you know, there's information inside. I like that. I like it very, very much. So say select all, it selects all of our files and directories, organizes by name, change background. Let's look at all the available there. Backgrounds, as you can see, there's a lot of GNOME models inside of this. Run through all this backgrounds and choose something we like. I love the snowy one. Wow, this is cool. And here you can just choose like colors. Just want a simple color, but I will choose the same one for my lock screen. Wow, I like this picture. Let's open a terminal. Let's see what kernel is being used. Is kernel 4.8. It's one of the latest, up to date. Good stuff. You go here to this panel here, time and notifications. You can add world clocks. As you can see, you got all the different time things. So let's say new, and let them pick up from where I am, St. Petersburg. Let's write Saint Petersburg, Russia. Add alarm. You can set your alarm, stopwatch, makes sense. Let's go to timer, let's go to settings, about, clocks 3.8 inch, there's GNOME clocks. And let's go to this panel. You can see GNOME all over, but it's not a bad thing. GNOME is awesome. fully charged administrator. It has link to the settings, lock screen. As you can see, it's when we chose password and turn off settings. We can have a look at the settings a bit later on. Nothing happens to the panel if you left or right click on it, so it's just panel. But as you can see, this is very Windows 7-ish, Windows-ish. This icons here. Which is normal as I try to make something which you can see. Beautiful but also familiar. It's got its negatives and positives. Always. But as you can see, it's the power of. It's a nice operating system, and as it's based on Ubuntu 16.4, you know you have the stability that you can rest assured that your computer will be fine until either the next major release or until for the next 5 years, which is pretty awesome. Chromium, like the open source Chrome, the development version of Chrome, and it's 55 built on Ubuntu, running on Zorin. As you can see, this is a 64-bit version. Let's see, this is the menu or accessories. You can run through it, it's all pretty familiar stuff. Games, you can have some solitaire, graphics, GIMP is already installed, simple scan for your scanning needs, LibreOffice Draw, Internet, Chromium, Zorin web browser management. What's this? Okay, you can just install Firefox. Simple as this. Let's do it. With other ones, and get it now. Have a look here, calendar, Canon calendars. $3.20. Systems settings. You can see software update and all those. Utilities, document viewer, system monitor. I always like to look at it to see how much power is being used. Remember, I'm installing program now, so it's about a gigabyte RAM. Whatever I'm doing at the very moment. Wine, pre-installed, ESR, file system, software center. Yeah, it's a nice system. It's smooth, much smoother than Zorin 12 when I was making when I had to look at it when it just was released. So that's a very good thing. I won't say it's the best operating system I ever saw in my life, but it's really wonderful. And if this is what you're looking for and this is what you enjoy, why not? It's smooth, it's running, it won't break on you, it's a good system. Yeah, let's go and have a look at the system settings. It behaves like doesn't expect it to behave. The system setting is clear, easy to understand. Background, we had to look at it. When we change the background notifications, you can enable and disable notifications, which is quite cool. very simple to do. You can just disable your notifications. I think all operating systems need it. Online account if you want to integrate your Google account or your Facebook account or your own cloud or Microsoft even. It's into your system. That's for your convenience. Just do it. Do it. Privacy. You can enable, disable regional language. You want to add other languages or different regions so your computer to enjoy it. Search. And if you want to search folders and change the settings of search, you have to install. Okay. Let me just yes, Zorin. And there's the search working now. Okay, so if there's a packages which needed to be installed, as you see, I'm running this video live. I'm not trying to hide anything from you. That when you open it up, it will be exactly the same experience. Yes, different layouts. Nice. Activities. And this menu. Or let's have a look what's happening here. All goes to the top. And let's go back to the default one. I consider the normal one. So let's go as the default. Themes. You can have a nice black theme with brown theme. I like this. Fonts, panel. I don't know why I like this, but I like this. Bluetooth, I don't have Bluetooth on this computer I'm using. It's pretty old, but powerful PC. It's a board for which you're making. Simply, yeah. Displays, keyboard, you can add shortcuts, change things, look at it. Mouse. Something wrong with your mouse, you can check there. Network. Power. You can turn up your Wi-Fi to say power, mobile. All these options is awesome. Most operating systems don't even have anymore a mobile thing, which I know of, and here they got it, so it's pretty cool that they actually, as your opposite standard and update. I might be wrong, maybe all of them have the mobile, I'm not sure. Add printers, if you have network printers, USB printers, you don't have to look for the drivers all over the internet. You can just come here and it will find the drivers for yourself. It's pretty cool. Seems like Firefox is installed. We can have a look at later. I really like this color scheme. I don't know why. I might be a freak. Most probably, yeah. But I really like this. Like a tablet. If you have a tablet, it should be automatically called there. Tried it once when I had a tablet for somebody. Welcome to your tablet. Very easy to install. It's Zorin OS 12, 12.1. As you can see, it's my information, default applications. Let's go back to Chromium and you can look at these things, change. You can add firewall configuration. You have a built-in firewall as expected from most operating systems by now. You can configure it as you want to on and change things here. Sharing. You want to share your computer on your network. Universal access. You need any of these settings like online screen keyboard. Hopefully, I expect it just to appear. But it doesn't, it's a bit weird. Maybe when I have like a Word document open, I'm not sure. It uses, yes, when you have to type, it appears. And you can just type like this. That's fair enough. Enter. And now you can just add a new user. Sorry. Doing all live. And I hope you appreciate it. Yeah. This overview. I really hope you enjoyed it. And thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something, and if you are thinking of installing and using Zorin 12.1, enjoy it. I like it much more. A lot of bug fixes which I can really feel. And in general, great operating system. Enjoy it and goodbye.